That's a great example, Mike, how AI speeds up content creation without sacrificing brand control. And this is exactly where branded templates comes in. For big brands, keeping everything on brand across different teams, departments, and platforms is a real challenge. Usually, that means long review cycles, back and forth edits, and endless approvals. Our branded templates change that. Everything is set from the start. The fonts, colors, animation, and layouts, it stays consistent. No more waiting for approval because brand compliance is already built in. Teams can create videos quickly without needing the creative team for every request. But AI isn't the one designing these templates. They are built by real creatives, people who understand branding, motion, and how to bring a company's identity into video. Because branding in a video environment requires a completely different approach. It's not just copying your colors, your logos, and your fonts. Movement plays a huge role in how a brand is perceived. The way your text appears, how those animation flows, and how visual transitions all need to feel intentional. Your brand's personality isn't just in your colors, it's in the pacing, the rhythm, and the way elements interact on screen. If those don't align, the message just feels off. Video branding isn't just about keeping things visually consistent, it's about making sure everything works together cohesively, creating an experience that feels unmistakably your brand. That's why every branded template is custom built from the ground up. We take your branding guidelines and turn them into motion. Layouts, animations, and transitions are carefully designed to match each brand's unique identity. AI doesn't do that. Creatives do. What AI does is take on the bulk of production work, resizing, script writing, formatting, and adapting content. The things that eat up time and slow teams down. Instead of spending hours on repetitive tasks and edits, team can now focus on bigger ideas and planning their next project. This is what true collaboration looks like. Creatives define the brand vision, and AI makes it easier, faster, and scalable.